how to automatically collect the student details from Heights platform to Google Sheets. So assume that I'm selling a course using this Heights platform, and whenever a new student signed up for my course into this Heights platforms, I want to collect the details of the students automatically to my spreadsheet. Yes, I want as soon as the student will sign up, the details should be added automatically to my spreadsheet so that I can create a backup of all the students, all the leads, that too in real time. So if you also want to collect your students data in Google Sheets in real time, come with me and I will show you the process step by step. So this is my Heights platform where I'm selling this PHP course, and I want whoever is going to sign up for this particular course, I want to collect the details of the student, basically the name and email address in this particular spreadsheet. And for that, I'll have to connect my spreadsheet with Heights platform, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software. It is an amazing automation software, and you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link for your reference into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, and you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am clicking on sign in, and then I am clicking on access now, and this is how I will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here exactly we are going to start creating our automation, our workflow. So just click on this blue button, create workflow, and provide a random name to your automation, to your workflow. I am providing collect Heights platform students in Google Sheets automatically. How about I also added something like this? All right, now click on create, and you will actually find two boxes in front of you. Those are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Let me show you. Action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example also that whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application, and according to our use case, whenever the student will sign up into the Heights platform application, automatically add the same student into the Google Sheets application. So this is how we always need to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. And in this particular case, since we are collecting the data of Heights platform into the Google Sheets, so that is why the trigger application will be Heights platform. And in the trigger event, I want that whenever a new student is arrived, triggers when a new student sign-ups. Whenever a new student sign-ups, I want this automation to trigger. I want this automation to start. Okay, so I'm going to connect Heights platform with the Pabbly Connect so that the data of Heights platform can be captured here in the Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to send the same data to the Google Sheets. Okay, so click on add new connection, and it is asking for the token and the subdomain. So you will have to follow these instructions for this. So I'll be taking you to my Heights platform section, and here you will find an option of account setting. You'll have to click on that account settings, and here exactly you will find your API key, which I am going to copy and paste it here. Okay, here you can see I have pasted it. The second thing, it is asking for the subdomain. So if you will go to your URL, you will actually find your subdomain, basically the part before the dot and after the https://. All right, this is going to be the subdomain which I have pasted it. Click on save, and this is how your Heights platform will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you will have to click on this button, save and send test request, and it is actually waiting for the response. Okay, so you will have to read the instructions. Once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. Okay, so here the test submission or record means creating a new student in Heights platform. So we are going to do the same. So this is my course. All right, where is my course? I'll be opening my course from here, and I will directly open the landing page of this particular course. Okay, here is the landing page, and I will open this particular landing page in completely different tab. All right, so this is the tab in which I am opening this particular landing page, and assume that some new user, new student is actually signing up for your PHP course that is actually for the beginners. Okay, so I'm going to join this particular program. So assume that the name of the person is dummy user, or you can say dummy student. All right, what happened? Okay, dummy student is actually signing up for this particular course, and the email address is desk@pabblytudes.com, and let's say he belongs to Bhopal. All right, and here I'm going to create a random password also. All right, so I have provided the password as well. Now finally I will click on this sign up button, but before that let me show you, it is still waiting for the response. Here you can see in the Pabbly Connect, it is actually waiting for the response. Now finally I will be signing up from here, and you will see the magic that the same details will be captured by the Pabbly Connect. Okay, here you can see I have signed up into this particular course, and here you can see as soon as I have signed up there, the new student details has been captured in the response of Pabbly Connect, and we have the dummy student name, the ID, and the email address. So this is how the first step of our automation of our integration is actually done. Now we are going to collect the same data into the Google Sheets. For that you will have to go down, and here you will have to search for the Google Sheets as the second applications, since we want to add the data here only. And in the action event I want to add a new row, because I want a new row should be added and the data should be added into this particular row. Okay, click on add new connection, click on sign in with Google, and provide the access of your Google Sheets account from here. Click on continue, and this is how your Google Sheet will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see, all right, I'm waiting for this. And here you can see it is connected. Now it is asking to select the spreadsheet name. Well, whatever the spreadsheets are available into my Google Sheets is actually visible here since we were connected. And here I'm going to select this particular sheet. The name of my sheet is students data. So I'm going to select the same students data. And in the select sheet, well, I have the single sheet only. So which has captured automatically, which has selected automatically. And finally, you can see whatever the columns I have created into my spreadsheet, the same columns are visible here also. So we just need to provide the data in these two particular fields. And how we are going to map the data. Okay, read the instructions, enter text or map data. So we are going to map the data from the data which we have received in the above step. How? The mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here, and you will have to insert the data from the previous step. So it is asking for the name, so I'm going to click on this name, and here you can see the name has been mapped. Again I am going to map the email address, and where is the email address? All right, so I have mapped both the things, and let me tell you, whatever the things you will map here will be replaced automatically when this automation is execute in the real time. But if you will add these details manually, these details will be fixed, these details will remain safe. So just in case if you want this automation to work in the real time, you will always have to map the details the way I have done. Okay, finally I am going to click on this button, and you will see the data will be captured immediately and automatically and in real time. All right, waiting for the response, and here you can see the response has just received. That means the data must be added into the spreadsheet. Okay, let us check. Let us first refresh this particular sheet. Well, here you can see the same data has been automatically captured into this spreadsheet. It is the same person who has signed up as a new student into our Heights platform. So this is how now onwards, as soon as someone is going to sign up for this particular lecture, for this particular course into the Heights platform, the students details will be automatically captured here into the spreadsheet without doing anything manually. And let me tell you, this automation creation is actually a one-time process. You just need to create this automation once inside Pabbly Connect and sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Everything will work in the automation in real time. And in case you want to clone this setup into your account, I will attach the shareable link of the same workflow into my description box, from where you can directly click on this button and clone the same workflow into your account, that too for free, because signing up in the Pabbly Connect is absolutely free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.